Relax. Relax. Pose number 2. Flex your front latissimus dorsi. Together. Flex. Relax. Relax. Pose number 3. Flex any of your best side chest with the thigh muscles. Together. Flex. Turn around. Go to flex your back double biceps with the right calf. Back double biceps with the right calf. Right calf. Flex any of your best side triceps with the thigh muscles. Relax. Your last pose. Flex your abdominals with the thighs. Please come forward for the free posing. Make the maximum use of the ramp. Start. Turn number 44. Please come forward. Start. Thank you, number 44. Start. Okay, final pose now. Make the maximum use of the ramp. Trunk number 43, Suraj Tadbar from Pitbull Power Gym.
सगळ्यांनी जोरात ताली मारची आणि तांची उर्बा वाढवची.
Bronze medal, cash prize of 6,000 rupees, trophy and a certificate.
Open Gangnam Style.
Second place, silver medal goes to trunk number 45, Amay Korgaonkar from Robert Fitness. Silver medal, cash prize of 8,000 rupees, medal and a certificate. Mr. Goa 2016, trunk number 44, Danue Bogati from Robert Fitness.
जोरात ताली जावच्यो. ह्या कॅटेगरीचे पहिले इनाम फावो जाता.
Gold medal, cash prize of 10,000 rupees, trophy and a certificate. Trunk number 46, Dipesh Margolkar, Hardcore Gym. Trunk number 47, Videsh Kavlikar, Chiranjeev Fitness. Trunk number 48, Omkar Desai, Pitbull Power Gym. And trunk number 49, Apram Skekar, Norbert Fitness. Athletes, you have to give 7 compulsory poses to the judges and the audience. Judges rank them 1 to 4. Pose number 1. Together, flex your front double biceps. Together, flex. Pose number 2. Flex your front latissimus dorsi. Together, flex. Your next pose, flex any of your best side chest with the thigh muscles. Together, flex. Relax. Relax. Please turn around. Please turn around. Flex your back double biceps with the right calf. With the right calf. Flex your back latissimus dorsi with the left calf. Flex any of your best side triceps with the thigh muscles. Together, flex. Relax, relax. Look in the front. Face the audience. Your last pose. You have to flex your abdominals with the thigh muscles. Together, flex. Relax. Relax, please. Relax. Trunk number 46. Free posing. Make the maximum use of the ramp. Start. Thank you, 47. Flex any of your best side chest with the thigh muscles. Relax, look in the front. Your last pose, flex your abdominals with the thighs. Dipesh R. Mardolkar from Hardcore Gym.
जोरान ताई मारच्यो आणि तांची उर्बा वाडोवची.
Cash prize of 4,000 rupees, trophy and a certificate. Third place, bronze medal goes to Trunk number 49, upper striker from Robert Fitness. Bronze medal, cash prize of 6,000 rupees, trophy and a certificate. Silver medal goes to trunk number 48, Omkar Desai from Pitbull Gym. Cash prize of 8,000 rupees, certificate, trophy, and the gold medal goes to none other than trunk number 47, Videsh Kaulikar from Chiranjeevi Fitness. Mr. Goa 2016, trunk number 47, Videsh Kaulikar. Gold medal, cash prize of 10,000 rupees, trophy and a certificate. Trunk number 51, Hussein Sheikh, Fitness Hub. Trunk number 52, Ravi Shekhar, Power Fit. Trunk number 53, Suresh Shirodkar, Robert Fitness. And trunk number 54, Rohan Govikar, Robert Fitness. Pose number 1, together flex your front double biceps, together flex. Pose number 2, flex your front latissimus dorsi, together, flex. The third pose, flex any of your best side chest with the thigh muscles, together, flex. Relax, relax. Relax, relax. Look in the front. Half minute free posing round. Make the maximum use of the ramp. Ready? Start. Trunk number 51, please come forward. Start. Trunk number 52. Thank you, number 52. Trunk number 53. Trunk number 54. At least for the best poses title, please keep yourself ready. Trunk number 53 and 54, please come forward. Please stand together.